Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. As you guys can read by the title, I'm back with another unboxing, another luxury unboxing. I got another pair of Tabi boots. And yeah, I want to show you guys, I want to share with you guys because I'm excited about them. I showed them a little bit in my what I got for my birthday, 28th birthday vlog. If you did not see that video, definitely check it out. I'll link it here in the cards. But I showed it a little bit, but I wanted to do like a full dedicated video unboxing it, talking about the Tabi boot in general, and just really digesting and getting into the boot. So if you guys want to see which one I got, definitely stay tuned, and you already know, let's get into the video. So if you don't know, the Tabi boot is inspired by traditional Japanese split toe socks, which Margiela now sells like the Tabi socks where it has like the split toe, but it was originally inspired by Japanese split toe socks, and it was the Tabi boot itself was firstly introduced to Maison Margiela in 1989. It literally became Margiela's signature style, signature look for a shoe. They have boots, they have Mary Jane, they have high boots, they have low boots, they have ankle boots, they have now loafers, they have like a high Mary Jane high heel, they have a low top, they have so many different styles. They have like a sandal. I've seen so many different Tabi styles, and it's just a dope, intricate shoe. Like the first time I saw them, I was like, oh, these are fire. They're different. I love different shit. So I saw them and I was like, ooh, I need them in my life. So the first pair that I got, which I will link that unboxing in my cards as well, was a white pair. They were the ankle boot, and I just knew I wanted a white boot. I have other white boots, but I knew in that Tabi style, I wanted it to be white, especially for my first pair. I was like, ooh, I'll wear them so much, which I have. I got my cost per wear, and those are like literally my favorite shoes in my wardrobe. Every time I wear them, I always get looks, I always get stares, I always get questions. And you know, it's a little camel toe joke that I always throw around, so I love those. So then this year, not only this year, last year as well, into this year, I was like, I want to add another Tabi shoe into my wardrobe. So I was trying to decide which one I wanted. First, I was like, I wanted the loafer, but then I was like, I have black loafers, white loafers that I don't need that. I don't need a Tabi style. I have other loafers that I want in mine, and I don't think I want the Tabi ones. Then I was like, maybe I'll get the Mary Jane ones. But then I went into, they had these like low Mary Jane ones, but I went into the Margiela store 2 months ago when I bought these, and I didn't like how they looked in person. Like they just wasn't giving me what I wanted it to give. They didn't look good. I didn't like them. So then I saw these boots and I was like, oh God, are these new season? And then the sales associate, he was like, yeah, these are new season. I was like, can I try them on? And of course, as soon as I tried them on, I was like, I'm gonna buy them. It was a couple weeks before my birthday, so it was one of my birthday gifts to myself. So we have the box right here. As you guys can see, it is a huge box, so you know it is a huge boot. So you know Margiela's signature white box, always have the minimal. I love their packaging because it's so minimal. Love the minimalistic white box. It has the numbers. If you guys don't know, it has 0 to 23, and they always have the 22 circled. Maison Margiela, Paris. So the significance of the 22 being circled on the shoe boxes is that it is footwear. So each number represents an item that Margiela sells, which I found is really, really dope. I was like, let me search it to know like what is the significance. So all of my shoe boxes have the 22 circle because it is footwears. These are my third pair of Margiela shoes in general. I have 2 Tabi boots and the replica sneakers. So they're packaged up. And I decided to film this unboxing today because I'm wearing them. It's Fashion Week right now. I am wearing them today, so I wanted to unbox it on camera before I pull them out and wear them to the event that I'm going to. But guys, if you don't know, this is Margiela's dust bag. You just put it around the shoe and you go, which I think is super convenient. You just wrap it around your shoe. If you want to like put this in your bag, and of course you're walking around, you don't want the bottom of your shoe touching stuff, you just put the foot right in and you're good to go. They gave me some extras. I got 4 of these, so got some extras, but that's their little dust bag. Super cute. So we got the box, and then let's take out the boots. Y'all, it is, let's put it this way, it is the over the knee high boot, Maison Margiela Tabi black boot. As you guys can see, it has the zipper detail right here. You can zip it. We have the heel, the signature block heel, which is monochromatic to the whole shoe, which I love. In my white boot as well, the heel is white as well as the boot, which I love. Love the black trimming around it. And then we got the bottom. The bottoms are brown, same as my white boot. And then we have the same detailing like on the box, the numbers, and then the 22 circled, and then of course the size. So we got that. Put it this way. Super sleek. Like, I love this black leather. Like, this is a boot that I would have to get in black just because I feel like an over the knee high boot in black is just super sexy and super sleek. We got the camel toe, the little split toe. Ugh. This detailing is just too good. Too good. So, like I said, we have a zipper. And then we have the tissue paper, of course, in there. All of this is leather. A leather boot. Literally, the whole thing is leather, okay? Maison Margiela is a Paris-based, France-based brand. It's called Maison Margiela Paris. So, you know, we got the designer, the luxury. It's leather, okay? So I got these. I ended up getting, they didn't have a 37, which I got my white boots in. So the sales associate brought out a 36, which fit perfectly fine. And then they are leather, so I know as I wear them more, they're going to stretch out. Same as my white ones, they stretched out as I wore it more. But it definitely fits well. So yeah, let me tell you the pricing. These were $14.90, and then with tax they came up to $16.95, so they're $1,695. I know, a pretty penny, but I'm definitely gonna wear these a lot. Fall is coming, winter is coming, so I'm definitely gonna get my cost per wear and wear these. I'll even wear these in the spring. I can even wear these in the summer with some shorts. So definitely gonna be styling these a lot. Definitely gonna get my cost per wear. And we got some new season Maison Margiela Tabi boots. Like, we out here. I'm super excited to wear these today. Definitely follow me on Instagram at Bria Van Kooten so you can see the looks, y'all. When I'm not on YouTube, I'm on Instagram posting looks and reels and all that. So definitely follow me there. The detail, like the extra lining, the thick lining around it, so good. So good. Margiela, you be doing the damn thing with the Tabi boots. Like, I'm definitely gonna get me another pair. I might have to get me the loafers. Just cause I love the split toe. Like, that split toe detail is so good. We gonna see. But we're not done with the Tabi boots. We're not done. We're gonna add in some more, not just Tabi boots, just Tabis in general. We're gonna add some more Tabis into the wardrobe, like, because I just stand. I love them so much. So yeah, have these in my possession. I'll definitely link them down in my description box if you guys are interested in shopping and buying them. So I'll link it down below, and I'll also link my white pair down below as well if you guys are more interested in like a low top pair. But I'm excited. You guys can tell I love these boots. Love these boots. Like I said before, follow me on Instagram at Bria Van Kooten. Also my Twitter at Bria Van Kooten. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Are you a Tabi fan? Do you have any Tabi shoes? Let me know. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more. And comment, like, share, all of that good. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Peace, love,